In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion full page. First, open your web browser and head to notion.com. You can use any modern browser for this. Give the page a second to load, and right up in the top right corner, you'll see the Login button. Click that to reach the Sign In options. On the next screen, choose the Google option to continue. A small window may pop up asking you to pick your Google account. Select the account you use for Notion and complete the sign in. If you're already signed in, Notion may take you straight to your workspace without any extra prompts, which is normal. Once you're in your workspace, choose the page you want to view in full width. In this example, I'm opening a page called Central Database, but you can pick any page or database that you work with most often. The full width setting is especially helpful for wide databases, Kanban boards, galleries, or pages with side-by-side columns, so think about the page where you need extra horizontal space. With your page open, look to the top right corner of the page content area for the three dots, sometimes called the page menu. Click those dots to open the page settings menu. This menu includes layout and view options for the specific page you're on. In that menu, find the option labeled full width. It's a simple toggle. Turn it on, and your page's content will instantly expand to fill the entire width of your browser window. You should see tables show more columns without scrolling, boards display more cards in a row, and multi-column text layouts breathe a little easier. That's it. Your page is now full width. A few quick tips to wrap up. The full width setting applies per page, so if you like this layout, repeat the same toggle on other pages you use frequently. If you ever prefer the standard centered look again, just open the three-dot menu and turn full width off. Keep in mind this changes the layout width, not the text size. If your content still feels cramped, try adjusting column sizes within your database views. And if your screen is very small, the difference may be more subtle, but it still helps reduce side scrolling. You now know exactly how to make any Notion page full width. Try it on your main dashboards and big databases to see the most benefit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra space.